È difficile, parliamoci chiaro, non è che ci aspetta una passeggiata o sarà una partita facile, sarà una partita molto difficile, ma ci dobbiamo credere assolutamente, perché il calcio ci insegna che ci sono tante situazioni che si possono rimediare, perché l'aspetto mentale poi fa la differenza, e quindi proveremo.
Stefano Pioli, the head coach of the AC Milan Football Club, speaks here after a huge defeat at home at San Siro Stadium. As in fact, Stefano Pioli said that they player the lacked respect, player the lacked carefully, and of course they have a long journey to go. They have a long journey to go, but they should not. They can't give up. It's very close to give up. Of course, now what they just think now is about the second leg match of the UEFA Champions League in semi-final stage against International Milan, and he used to say that they are going to give their all percentages, they are going to give their all effort so as to make sure that they qualify to this final of the of this competition. Of course, it has been one among of the bad day, bad day, as they have considered two goals, the first goals, and then it has been also added in the history of the fattest goals in the UEFA Champions League, the semi-final stage. It occurred that between the match Manchester United versus Arsenal Football Club, as Cristiano Ronaldo scored the two